Are you using the word very too much? Do you want to sound more professional? Watch this. Hello and welcome. I'm Roy, an English language coach helping you be a professional and confident English speaker. If you're using the word very a lot in formal writing and communication, it can make your language appear too informal, weakening your message. Use more precise and descriptive language to effectively convey your ideas. Here are 30 synonyms that will improve your very important English skills. Extremely. She was very happy to hear the good news. She was extremely happy to hear the good news. Tremendously. I had a very good time on my vacation. I had a tremendously good time on my vacation. Exceptionally. She is very talented at singing. She is exceptionally talented at singing. Intensely. The sun was shining very intensely on a hot summer day. The sun was shining intensely on a hot summer day. Remarkably. That was a well-written essay. That was a remarkably well-written essay. Incredibly. The view from the top of the mountain was very beautiful. The view from the top of the mountain was incredibly beautiful. Exceedingly. He was very proud of his accomplishments. He was exceedingly proud of his accomplishments. Highly. She is very motivated to succeed in her career. She is highly motivated to succeed in her career. Terrifically. The movie we watched last night was very entertaining. The movie we watched last night was terrifically entertaining. Unbelievably. The story he told was very true. The story he told was unbelievably true. Utterly. The sight of the accident left him very speechless. The sight of the accident left him utterly speechless. Especially. I love spending time with my family very much during the holidays. I love spending time with my family, especially during the holidays. Positively. The meeting went very well with everyone agreeing to the next steps. The meeting went positively well with everyone agreeing on the next steps. Exceptionally. The cake was very delicious. The cake was exceptionally delicious. Unusually. The weather was very warm for this time of year. The weather was unusually warm for this time of year. Decidedly. The performance was very lackluster compared to their usual standards. The performance was decidedly lackluster compared to their usual standards. Fantastically. She looked very beautiful in her new dress. She looked fantastically beautiful in her new dress. Profoundly. The book had a very deep impact on his life. The book had a profoundly deep impact on his life. Wholly. She was very committed to finishing the project on time. She was wholly committed to finishing the project on time. Immensely. The workload was very heavy, and I struggled to keep up. The workload was immensely heavy, and I struggled to keep up. Critically. The patient was very ill and needed urgent medical attention. The patient was critically ill and needed urgent medical attention. Remarkably. His speech was very persuasive, and he won over the audience. His speech was remarkably persuasive, and he won over the audience. Absolutely. I am very convinced that he is the right person for the job. I am absolutely convinced that he is the right person for the job. If you're finding this video useful, consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this, and a like will be highly appreciated. Truly. He is a very kind-hearted person, always willing to help others. He is truly a kind-hearted person, always willing to help others. Exquisitely. The artwork was very detailed and beautiful. The art was exquisitely detailed and beautiful. Completely. The renovation project was very completely transformed the old building. The renovation project completely transformed the old building. Perfectly. The timing of his arrival was very perfectly timed. The timing of his arrival was perfectly timed. Astoundingly. The results of the experiment were very positive. The results of the experiment were astoundingly positive. Singularly. The day was very beautiful with clear skies and a gentle breeze. The day was singularly beautiful with clear skies and a gentle breeze. Inordinately. He was very proud of his daughter's achievements. He was inordinately proud of his daughter's achievements. Ready to learn more? Click on the video coming up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.